About 5 minutes south of Swansea is Pyrmont. From there, it's public access down to Cowrie beach. Walk over the headland through some casuarina forest. It's got some Oyster Bay pines, which are endemic to this area if you're into your flora. 20-minute walk down to Cowrie beach. It's a beautiful beach and we have it to ourselves. We'll have a look, see if we can find some cowries. Overlooks Freycinet National Park. At the moment it's nearly a perfect winter's day. Maybe not so perfect over at Coles Bay, looks a bit drizzly, but we've got sunshine.